Hello guys, and new video about GALA. On the off chance that you're searching for GALA cost expectations estimate for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of GALA will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous costs of GALA, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unthinkable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Occasion past price analysis. As indicated by the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of GALA is $0.079 and GALA is at present positioned number in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of GALA is 6,977,205,436 with a market cap of $552,802,771. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 11.54% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GALA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the GALA was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 21.38%. Function has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GALA diminished by 80.013%, disposing of an astounding typical amount of 32 cents from its ongoing worth. This abrupt down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase and open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 86.04% and the cost circled from a base typical cost of 46 cents to greatest normal cost of 57 cents in the beyond 90 days. Function is somewhere near 77.64% with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $0.088 and the base typical value of was around $0.081 in beyond 4 months. Function price prediction 2022. As indicated by our profound specialized examination on past value information of GALA, in 2022, the cost of GALA is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.081. The GALA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.096, with a typical exchanging cost of $0.085. What is the GALA cost today? Today GALA is exchanging at $0.079 with a market cap of $552,802,771.000. What will be the GALA most noteworthy gauge cost for 2022? The GALA cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.096 toward the finish of 2022. Is GALA a wise speculation? Function's worth is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general energize cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a gamble to any venture. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the most extreme exploration conceivable. How high could GALA at any point go? The typical cost of GALA could go to $0.085 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the 40 cents mark. What amount will GALA be worth in 2030? As far as value, GALA has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It is estimate that GALA will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business investigators, GALA can hit the greatest cost of $3.20 till 2030. Starting around 18 May 2022, GALA is exchanging at $0.079 in term of its United States dollars rate, with a value change of 0.7% in most recent 60 minutes. Celebration has a complete market cap of $552,802,771, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $278,668,255. This makes GALA positioning at 82 in the digital money market. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what is the GALA cost expectation end of 2022, what will GALA be worth in 2022? Is GALA wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2022? Will GALA cost outperform its unequaled high? These are our GALA cost forecasts for GALA's future. Celebration, GALA, price prediction 2022. As per the GALA conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2022, the GALA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.085. The normal least value worth of GALA, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to be $0.081. Addition function, GALA, price forecast May 2022. For May, the cost of GALA is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $0.070, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $0.072 and at least $0.063. A fair, GALA, price prediction June 2022. As for June 2022, GALA cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.070. The GALA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.075, with a typical figure cost of $0.072. A fair price prediction July 2022. The cost of GALA is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.072 in 2022. The GALA cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.079, with a typical exchanging cost of $0.075 all through 2022. Celebration price forecast August 2022. In August 2022, the cost of GALA is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.074. The GALA value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.082, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.077 in United States dollars. Function price forecast September 2022. The normal cost of GALA could go to $0.078 toward September's end. Function could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.085, with a base expected cost of $0.075. A fair price forecast October 2022. In October 2022, the cost of GALA is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0.078. The GALA value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.088, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.080 in United States dollars. Celebration, GALA, price prediction November 2022. As for November 2022, GALA cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.079. The GALA cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.092, with a typical figure cost of $0.082. Function, GALA, price prediction December 2022. As for December 2022, GALA cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.081. The GALA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.096, with a typical conjecture cost of $0.085. Occasion crypto cost has followed the ongoing digital currency crash to the base, with the present exchanging meeting showing a 10% drop. The present drop in the market comes in the midst of a new cost flood, where GALA rose by 111% in 4 days. Be that as it may, taking a gander at ongoing information in a more extensive setting, the digital money is still in areas of strength for a move. In May, GALA crypto has lost 32% of its worth. Starting from the start of the year, the GALA digital currency has lost 80% of its worth in the wake of opening the year, exchanging at 45 cents. The more extensive setting of the months-long negative move likewise shows that the issue has been industry-wide. For example, in the beyond 2 months, most cryptographic forms of money have dropped by more than 30%. A fair crypto price prediction. In the present exchanging meeting, the costs of GALA have dropped by 10%. This inversion of the beyond 4 days saw GALA recuperate and twofold in esteem. Notwithstanding, the beyond 24 hours have been exceptionally harsh for the cryptographic money, checking out at the exchanging volume information. This is after its exchanging volume dropped by 19%. Typically, markets respond by the cost drop while exchanging volume diminishes, which should be visible today. Taking a gander at the 4-hour diagram beneath, the costs of GALA have been exchanging sideways for the beyond couple of hours. This is in the wake of dropping forcefully toward the beginning of the day hours of the exchanging meeting. The outline likewise that the last 2 candles are showing a bullish lean. The Williams alligator is likewise showing the negative instability has decreased in the beyond couple of hours. Be that as it may, even with cost showing a little shelter the vertical, the outline shows the cost activity making different negative banners prior to dropping forcefully. In this manner, the ongoing little ascent in cost is a negative banner. In this way, I anticipate that GALA crypto cost should keep dropping after the ongoing